Hey guys, you've got Elle. I'm back here with another episode of the Kalleco Nursery Thursday 3. I am in the shop right now, and this week I'm going to do kind of a special episode, 3 reasons that you guys should come and pick up a DIY take-home centerpiece kit for this holiday. So first up, a quick announcement. As you may have seen if you follow us on social media or if you're signed up for a newsletter, both of which I will drop links to right beneath this video, the regular hours that we have for the holidays are actually going to be ending this Friday, December 18th. That's tomorrow. So we are open from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. tomorrow, this coming Friday. But we know that we had originally advertised that these centerpiece kits would be available for pickup through the 23rd, which is next Wednesday, but we're going on Christmas break a little early this year. So we are going to make it easy for you guys to come and pick one up if you hadn't had a chance to yet. We're going to have an extra special pickup window for these this Sunday, December 20th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. So if you haven't picked yours up yet or reserved a kit yet, you can do so tomorrow, Friday, anytime today, or this coming Sunday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. I'll repeat all of that, and that'll also be in the description for this video. You can also always give us a call. Anyways, on to the main point of this video, which is 3 reasons you should definitely pick up one of these kits. The first one is that we've sort of updated our collection of accents and flowers and greens for you guys. So these are really wonderful for this season. We've got these wonderful gold ribbons and gold sprayed botanicals and foraged elements. We've got these new evergreen greens. You can literally spruce up your table for your Zoom Christmas or your small pod gathering. And of course, just some really beautiful seasonal flowers. So they're a really wonderful holiday accent, whether it's for a mantle or a table. 2 is the major feedback we get on these, whether it's an in-person workshop or something that people took home for Thanksgiving, is that this is just a wonderful, relaxing activity, especially in the middle of the hustle and the bustle of the holiday season. So reason number 2 is that it's fun and relaxing and a great way to be creative and sort of take a little bit of a break from the busyness of this time of year. And finally, and this is my favorite, it's kind of like bragging rights. You guys put out some really incredible work for the Thanksgiving Centerpiece Workshop. There were some beautiful arrangements, and there's really nothing like the sense of satisfaction you get when someone goes, "That's an amazing arrangement on your table," and you get to say you made it. So bragging rights. And if you really want those bragging rights, please, if you take a picture and you post it on social media, tag us at Kalleco Nursery. We'd love to see and share. It makes our holiday season to see the things that you guys have been able to bring home and make. So that's our 3 reasons. In addition to our centerpiece kits, we also have holiday arrangements, really beautiful festive floral bouquets and centerpieces and any sort of accents you might need made by Maureen. You can see a couple around me. We've got really beautiful traditional red and gold and green ones, but we also have some more offbeat sort of woodland foresty ones like this lovely piece, and then just some really incredible bouquets featuring a lot of really wonderful seasonal accents, and those are also available for pickup. You can also schedule a delivery. These make a great gift, or call for something custom and arrange a pickup time. So that's what we've got going on for this week's Thursday 3. Thank you guys so much for being here for us with another episode, and we will see you guys soon. Have a happy holiday.